हरि ओम्। ॐ अथ श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु कर्मयोगश्लोकसङ्ग्रहः। ॐ देवान् भावयतानेन ते देव भावयन्तु वा परस्परं भावयन्तः श्रेयः परमवाप्स्यत। कर्मयोगो नामोऽध्यायः ಏಕಾದಶ ಶ್ಲೋಕಃ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸಂಯಮ ವೆಲ್ನೆಸ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ರಾಧಾಕೃಷ್ಣ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. 1 posture per day, happiness full day. In this concept, today I am going to show Veerabhadrasana, warrior posture. Variation 1. Its benefits and limitations. ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಇಂದು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ವೀರಭದ್ರಾಸನ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ 1 ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಅದರ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೇಷನ್, ಅದರ ಉಪಯೋಗಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ ಲಿಮಿಟೇಷನ್, ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಬನ್ನಿ. ನಾವು ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಪೋಸ್ಚರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕಮ್ ಟು ಸ್ಥಿತಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್, ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಡಿ, ಕಾಲುಗಳು ಸಮಾನಾಂತರವಾಗಿರಲಿ. Spread the toes, press it on the ground. Press. Tighten your knee. Tighten your calf muscle, thigh muscles, and stay. Make it straight. Then slowly inhale and raise your arms. Here, look at it. It must be shoulder distance. Observe here. Look at here. Neck must be free. Then slowly lift your heel, right heel, and turn it. Make it straight leg, as I told in last video. It must pass the middle of your this sole. ಈ ಕಾಲ ಮಧ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್. ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ 2. ದೆನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ 1. See, like this. Here you have to align. Don't do like this. It must be straight. See again. Alignment is more important. Or yoga structured according to the our structure of our body and the function of our body and the psychological effect. Then slowly come to Namaskar. See, stretch your waist, make a straight line, stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get at one point and hold the postures. Then you are just raising your arms. You are not just raising your arms. You have to pull your spine. Hold it with the normal breathing. Then slowly rise, slowly turn and turn it. Come to sit. Then again complementary or other side, contraindication. Now slowly, so you have to do properly. See, sometimes you will get cramps or get the knee pain, something like that. So don't go, just relax and come back, then go back. Okay, then go to the posture like this. Slowly fold like this, hold. If you are unable to do like this first, then slowly, okay, make the alignment straight. Observe, then turn it, turn your waist, fully turn, make the alignment properly, then hold it with the normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slowly come up, slowly stretch, then slowly roll back, relax yourself. Observe the breathing. Inhale and exhale. Slowly sit. See, if you have tightness in the knee, slowly you have to practice. Get the wall support and you have practice. Okay. Beginning, you feel the tightness. Okay. And if you practice regularly, you can overcome. Okay. What are the benefits? It will help to strengthen your legs. Okay, strengthen your joints, strengthen your spine, reduce the obesity, activate your abdominal organs, reduce the acidity also, and also it helps to increase your lungs capacity because you are extending and stretching your spine and arms also. Okay, it will help to increase your lungs capacity, improve the vital energy, strengthen your shoulders, reduce the if you have any cervical spondylitis pain or anything minor, it will help to reduce, strengthen your neck. And while you are inhaling and holding the posture, it will help to calm down your mind, because at that time there is no thought, no worries, nothing. You just focusing on your breathing and Ajna Chakra you are holding. It will help to improve your stability, immune system, metabolism, everything it helps to improve, and helps to improve your concentration, memory, all the things, and helps to reduce your stress, tension, worries, and overall it will help to improve your confidence, improve the flexibility, and also improve your health. So what are the limitations? As usual, if you have any severe knee pain, any joint pains, lower back pain, or any shoulder pain, severe cervical spondylosis or pain, headache, severe migraine like this, you slowly wait for few days, healing periods are cure. Then you can regularly practice slowly, day by day, with the support of wall, okay, or support of any other person. Okay, you can practice like this. So you can overcome all that limitations. You can come out from all that limitations. Okay, thank you. Practice regularly. There is only one solution. And also, as I mentioned, the body structure, the alignment, it is more important to culture our body. Okay, alignment is more important. The postures is not simply designed, it is designed on the basis of our culture or structure of our body, function of our body, and it directly affects on our mind. Okay, the function, structure, anatomy, physiology, and the psychology. It also affects on your psychology. ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದರ ಪ್ರಭಾವ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. ಯೋಗ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯೋಗ ಚಿತ್ತವೃತ್ತಿ ನಿರೋಧ. It is a calm down or cut down your stress and tensions. Okay, thank you. Once again, practice regularly. There is only one solution to come out all these issues, health issues.
Thank you. Please subscribe and share this video to all, and also press the bell button to get the notification daily morning 6 o'clock for practice.